Deep inside the heart of the Amazon jungle, where sunlight barely touches the ground, lies a world both breathtaking and terrifying. Giant trees whisper secrets to the wind, and the air smells of mystery and danger. One morning, a group of explorers set out on a mission to discover a lost waterfall said to glow at night. But the jungle had other plans. As they crossed a muddy river, something huge moved beneath the water. An anaconda, longer than their boat, its yellow-green eyes locked on them. The water rippled, and silence turned into chaos. Moments later, they found themselves face to face with a black jaguar, its golden eyes glowing like fire through the leaves. Every step it took was silent, but deadly. As night fell,